up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So I went ahead and I put my hair back. I honestly look so crazy right now, but it's okay. So the palette that we're going to be using for this look is the Soft Glam by Anastasia. Mine's a little beat up, so that doesn't matter, right? The brush that I'm going to be using for this look is the Morphe M330, and it's literally the only brush that we're going to be using for this look. So the shade that I'm going to be dipping into is going to be this one right here, which is Rustic. I am having a pretty light hand, so I don't get too much too quickly. Now I did kind of start off making it into a V, following a V shape, and then bringing it in. Alright, so you do really want to blend it out like a lot since this is the only color that we're using. But I also forgot to mention that I did prime my eyelids using concealer, and then I set it using the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. I tried my best not to bring in too much product to the inner part of the eye and tried to stay focused mainly on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm a little bit closer to you guys because the next step is the liner. The liner for this look I feel like is what brings it all together, because without it I feel like this look would just be like too simple. I don't know. Now I am going to be starting from the outer corner of my eye and bringing it towards my brow. I also want this liner to be quite thick because basically the liner is like gonna be like the staple to this look, like it's what brings everything together. Okay, so now I just created like a little triangle looking thing. So this liner is very like a cat eye type of wing, but now I have my other wing to do, which is honestly the hardest to do because I can never get mine even. But yeah, I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got done with the other eye and they are not even. One is bigger than the other one, but it's okay, right? I'll just do this for the rest of the video. Okay, so anyways, they're not even, but it's okay, right? It's okay. Lashes will cover it. Now what the thing about this eyeliner is it's quite like patchy and doesn't dry even, so I am gonna go back in with the Noir, I don't know, this black shade from the same palette on an angled brush. I'm just gonna like pat that in to the liner. This also helps create a matte finish. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lashes. I am gonna give my real eyelashes a nice little coat of mascara so they blend in nicely. And for lashes, I am using the Lou Lash in the style T, which is these right here. Alright, so the lashes are on. Now it's time to move on to the face. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro-Matte foundation by L'Oreal, which is this one right here. I always feel like I don't have any foundation that matches me correctly. Now, something that I forgot to do is prime my face, but it's okay. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm gonna be applying that using like a small concealer brush because I took off the little like applicator that it came with because I really didn't like it, but I liked the concealer itself. Now, something that I started doing when blending out my concealer was to start from the outside first and then leaving like the inner corner part last. I do feel like my concealer is a little bit too light, so I am going back on the side that I used to blend out my foundation. I'm blending it out a bit. Now I am going to be using the same concealer to highlight my forehead and my chin. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair Light, I believe. Yes. I am going to be applying that using my sponge, and what I like to do is tap the excess on like the lid so it technically like evens out, and I'm just going to press it into my under eyes. And then to set the rest of my face, I am taking a fluffier brush and dipping it into the powder, not getting too much. Now moving on to bronzer, I am using the Butter Bronzer. Something I like to do when applying it is kind of like create a nice sharp line and then blend it out. And then I do like to warm up my nose with some bronzer, but I feel like the Butter Bronzer has like little specks of like glitter, so on my nose it really doesn't work since my nose is already kind of oily. So I do like to go in with this bronzer right here from this palette, and I just lightly run it on my nose. Now lastly, we're gonna go in with blush. And then to make this whole look last, I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray, which is this one. Now I did want this look to be quite matte, so I'm not gonna be going in with any highlighter, but I am gonna add mascara to my lower lashes. Now lastly, for the lip, I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one right here. So that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any other recommendations on what I should do next, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.